Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to discuss about the highest scoring and troublemaking task of reading section, which is reading, writing, fill in the blanks. We are going to discuss how people usually make mistakes in that, what kind of confusions they have while choosing the correct answers, and also how we are going to resolve that, and how you can improve your scores by just practicing a little bit more and also by paying attention to the little things. But before that, I have a very important heads up for you. Today, after 4 hours, that is 2 to 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time, I will be doing a live stream targeting three primary things. First, resolving queries related to the latest PTE update, which is going to be implemented on 4th November 2024, which is coming Monday, regarding describe image and recall lecture. Doing practice for some of the tasks as informed in my previous video. Select any one of the topic from below so that I can listen to your speaking and guide you whether you need any improvement. If so, I will also guide you on how you can improve your speaking. If time permits, we can also practice other tasks as well. Now coming back to our task, let's dive right into it. Common issues faced during practice. Reading. We usually have this habit of not reading everything. Most of the times, thanks to short videos, our concentrations have damaged a lot. We hardly have the ability to focus on anything for more than 2 minutes. Our brains are so tired if the video is 5 minutes long. Focus. Our attention diverts easily these days due to many things which we want. But we are unable to focus on things which requires our minds to work dedicatedly. Timings. We spend a lot of time in just solving a blank without understanding that PT is all about time management. If you are unable to manage the timings properly, then you cannot achieve your desired scores in PTE easily. Practice. We usually are not dedicatedly practicing, which is why we start with very low scores. We start with something, then jump to another thing without making the first thing perfect, which is why we are unable to reach our targets. People who practice with commitment without any excuses, they will always reach their targets. Context. We get afraid when it's about understanding the concept of something. We are accustomed to get everything easy and try to follow shortcuts for it, which is why that it might work for some fewer people, while majority others will face issues. Grammar. Well, this is one of the most unwanted, yet the best way to improve your reading. It is important because if you understand these basics, reading blanks will become easier for you. People who are uninterested in understanding or learning grammar will face the issue for 90%. Reading tasks looks like a nightmare for them. So don't be afraid of it. Try to face your fears. If you want to score that desired score, it is only you who needs to overcome those fears and work on your weak areas. Solutions. Improving your reading abilities. Read novels, newspapers, articles, or best, read the subtitles of your favorite movies or games. This will improve your reading skills a lot. Do this for at least a month and you will definitely see your reading scores improving slowly but surely. But this is not for the people who are planning to write within a week or 10 days. Improving focus. Whenever you are reading something, turn away from everything your phone, your social media, your WhatsApp, or anything which destroys your focus. Just give 1 hour a day to focus just on one task each. Then you will definitely see improvements. Timings. Make sure that you are solving all reading section fill in the blanks within 2.5 minutes, no more than that. Because time management is really important. You can't waste it in solving. Practice. Practicing is the only thing which will enhance your understanding of context, grammar, sentences, and how you can tackle difficult words. The more you practice, the more you will learn vocabulary, meaning of different words in different contexts. Try to answer as much as you can based on sentence understanding. If you are unable to solve your answers within 2 minutes, then submit your answers, check for the explanations, and don't just scroll over the answer. Make your brain do its work by analyzing why a particular answer is correct in that sentence, but why not the one you thought was correct. Unless you start understanding this and implementing while you are practicing, your reading is never going to improve. Let's do a sample exercise for this so that we understand if we are able to understand it correctly or not. For the first blank, we have options like moving his position, alternating his mind, juggling his job, or turning his attention. Based on the context, Here it says that Durkheim changed his focus from humanistic studies to ethics and sociology. So another word for changing his focus as per the available options is turning his attention. Now, if we read the sentence again with our selected option, it will make sense that Durkheim shifted his concentration from humanistic studies to ethics and sociology. Other options will not be appropriate as per the context. For second blank, we have options like came after, wrote about, ran across, and left for. When we look at the sentence, here it says that Durkheim was in Paris, but later in 1885 he moved to Germany and studied sociology there. Now, as per this sentence, there should be a word that helps in conveying the message as moving from Paris to Germany. After going through the options, only left for will suit perfectly here. For third blank, options are present like flicked through, was down to, achieved by, and resulted in. If we read the sentence, it refers that Durkheim's time in Germany led to the publication of many articles. So we have to use an option which shows a correlation that is present led to the publication of articles. If we go through the options, we find that only resulted in is the most suitable option to convey our words. For the final blank, if we read it again with our blank, Durkheim's present in Germany resulted in publication of many articles. For the last blank, options present are remained modest, collected money, gained appreciation, and gained recognition. By watching the last sentence, Durkheim was able to achieve a teaching position due to his articles, which means that we have to use a word which shows that he gained fame due to which he was offered that position. Now, after going through all the blanks, gained recognition will suit this perfectly because this refers that he was valued by other persons due to which he got that position. If we read the sentence with our answer, due to his articles which were published in Germany helped him gain recognition in France, earning him a teaching position at the university in 1887. So that's it for today's guys. We will catch up again during our live session. Hopefully we can meet and discuss the troubles in reaching your targets. Till then, take care. Bye bye.